Audience, today I have an unboxing for you of this product, ANGELBIRD Dual SD card reader, and this one works on Linux. Hello my audience, today I want to be talking to you about external SD card compatibility on Linux. So I have over here an external SD card that I bought locally and it didn't work with Linux, so I got something better. This is what I got. It's by ANGELBIRD and it's an external card reader, a dual card reader, and we are gonna do a little unboxing over here. This one was made in Austria and on the website it read that it's Linux compatible. So I really hope that it's Linux compatible because this one was expensive as shit. I got a new computer that didn't have a card reader, so yeah, this looks like, you know, this is this cheap plastic thing, you know, for 20 euros, and this is like metal and designed and manufactured by ANGELBIRD in Austria. Beautiful. Here we have two card slots over here. Okay, here we have the cable. It's quite short, you know, the cable, but yeah, that's okay. Now, let's plug it in. That's a nice connector, but I just want to talk to you about, like, with these kind of things you have to be really conscious of Linux compatibility. So this one didn't work. Oh! What are these? And here we have a micro SD to SD card adapter. That's very nice actually, because I have been thinking about buying the Canon V10 camera. Okay, here's what it reads in the back, and you can see over here Mac, iPad, Windows, Linux, Android. So this is as fast as it gets, so the bottleneck will be your card, not this device. And this one, it works on Linux. I can guarantee you that. I just tested it and it works fast. So go and get it if you are running Linux and having problems with it.